Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot pepper sauce with Scotch bonnet peppers. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh Scotch bonnet peppers for that signature heat. We'll also use 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. For the liquid base, have 1 cup of white vinegar, a half cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of salt ready. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now, let's get to the preparation. Always wear gloves when handling Scotch bonnet peppers to protect your skin from their intense heat. Wash and stem the peppers thoroughly. Then, roughly chop the peppers, along with the onion, garlic, and ginger. If you prefer a slightly less fiery sauce, you can carefully remove some of the seeds and internal membranes from the peppers. Once chopped, transfer all these ingredients into your food processor or blender. Next, we'll blend and cook our sauce to perfection. Add the 1 cup of white vinegar, the half cup of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the food processor with your chopped ingredients. Blend everything until it's completely smooth, aiming for a consistent texture. Once blended, pour this vibrant mixture into a saucepan. Bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Finally, let's finish and store your delicious hot sauce. Allow the sauce to simmer for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. During this time, the sauce will thicken slightly, and all the incredible flavors will fully develop and meld together. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Let the sauce cool completely before carefully pouring it into sterilized bottles. Store your homemade Scotch bonnet sauce in the refrigerator for lasting freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.